This month on Pathways to the Future, we're highlighting the great work being done through the CalWORKs Subsidized Employment Program.
I'm Selena, the Employment Placement Specialist here at the Colton Reynolds Yucaipa ROP. I serve the CalWORKs Subsidized Employment Program clients. So as an Employment Placement Specialist working with the CSEP participants, these participants come in as a referral to our program here at CRY-ROP. And they are participants who are receiving cash aid and food stamps at the moment. This program pretty much helps them get back into the workforce. And this program is to help them kind of just reestablish themselves into the work environment and getting everything that they need as far as like experiences, learning new skills or building upon the skills that they already have now. And most importantly is that they actually earned a paycheck.
Hiring through CRY-ROP has positively impacted Operation Grace because it has enabled us to grow. We've been able to hire and train individuals from all walks of life that are now coming into social services and assisting our clients with their lived experience. And so whatever the experience that they've had, whether it's a past experience of needing social services themselves or having to apply for something in the community like housing or even for benefits, then they bring that to our organization and they're able to impact and help other people.
I was hoping that you would ask me that question.
Yes, okay.
Yes, I just want to say ever since I've been hired on to Operation Grace through this program, that it has been such a blessing. I've been able to have my own apartment, to now 2 years later being the lead community health worker, being able to buy a car and do everything on my own. So I'm able to like live on my own and stand on my own because went through the program and got hired onto this position. And now that I'm a lead, like it's been nothing but blessings for sure.
Definitely stick with it. You know, it is a placement program, so they're trying to find stuff that goes with the skill sets and you know the career like path that you're looking for. And you know, it might not always be a good fit, you know, and they'll find somewhere else for you in that case. But usually, you know, they find you somewhere good, and you know, if you stick to it, it'll work out.
I was training computer and things of that nature because I was supposed to go in a different program. And the day I was supposed to start that program, they told me that I didn't qualify anymore. So that kind of broke my heart because for like 3 months I was preparing for this program. So when I went to Selena and I was telling her like, you know, I don't know if I'll be able to do this because I was preparing for this program, she was like, oh, don't worry about it. She said, I got you, pretty much. She said, we can find you something in that area to where your skills won't go to waste and that your training and everything you did won't go to waste. So she said, tell me what you were doing and then I can find something around that and I can place you there. And she placed me here.
With the CSEP program, it is a really great opportunity especially for parents who are ready to come back into the workforce, to have that support of a program to guide you on where to start and just to be able to jump right in.
I am really, really hopeful for the future of the partnership between Operation Grace and CRY-ROP. And the reason why is because we have so many new projects on the horizon. Operation Grace is still growing, we're still building, we're still expanding, and we really hope that CRY-ROP is a part of that. One of our most exciting projects that's coming up is actually our wellness center for youth that are experiencing homelessness or any type of housing instability. And so one of the things that we're hopeful for is that CRY-ROP will be able to refer individuals who are very passionate about working with youth. And so behind me is our new wellness center, and that is going to be where some of the new referrals actually get a chance to work as interns and hopefully become employees.